I'm very proud of you.
I'm very proud of you, Damien.
I can see you've all woken up. We had a major emergency, but we've had a first for Irish aeronautics space flight. First Officer Nicholas Bryson and myself, First Officer Damien Punch, we went out and we fixed a hole.
So that's a first for Irish science, and in fact for humankind, Americans, Russians, Chinese, everything. We've actually fixed the hole during the flight. But now you can return to your restful state of sleep and cryogenic suspension. There's nothing to worry about. Everything's under control. That's our job. We're here to be professional as Irish astronauts. And I think my colleague Damien is truly someone to be trusted and vouched for, and I truly vouch for him. And as much as he's standing here and we're a team together.
Sorry. So yes, so everything's under control.
Nothing to worry about.
What's that? Yes. So I just go back to sleep and strap yourselves back in. Everything's fine.
Nothing to worry about. We're completely fine. Nothing to worry about. I think just go back to sleep. Nothing to worry about.
Nicholas, there's something wrong.
What's wrong, Damien? What's wrong?
I don't know. I've got something bad.
Ask the computer. What's wrong?
Ask the computer. There's a button. There's a button for that. Here, Simplex.
Ask her. Find the button. What's wrong?
The button.
It's not that button.
It's not that one.
Try a different button.
This one.
Maybe it's this one.
No.
Maybe it's this one.
Now, to get a wee sneezing fit, it's important to have a hanky you can sneeze into that or a tissue and just pop it into a bin afterwards.
Don't forget to wash your hands after you've sneezed.
And if you don't have a tissue, just sneeze into your hand and wipe it on someone.